So a lot of Pixel fans are excited because the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro have just been released, and so many people are wondering which device is right for them. Here is how to choose wisely and make sure you don't waste your money. Now, right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that when it comes to hardware, Google did not really make a lot of changes or upgrades from the Pixel 6 series. The design is pretty much the same except for the new camera visor, which is not glass as seen on the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, but now we have a metal finish with cutouts for the camera lenses themselves. Now, if you like this design or you prefer the design on the Pixel 6 series, it is subjective to you. But personally, I think I like the aesthetic that they went for with the Pixel 6, 6 Pro, and 6a more, as it looks a bit cleaner and, more elegant than the metal finish. With regards to size, the devices are pretty much similar as well, but the Pixel 7 is 0.1 inches smaller than the Pixel 6, and it is a few grams lighter as well. Now, this also means that the Pixel 7 has a slightly smaller battery capacity than the Pixel 6, but it does not necessarily mean worse battery life because there is this new extreme power saving feature that was advertised, and we are going to have to wait and see what the endurance tests on these new smartphones will produce. One area in which we do see a difference is with regards to the chipset, as the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro come with the Tensor G2 chipset, which is a 4nm process. Now, a lot of us may remember that at the initial launch of the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, there were a couple of bugs, glitches, and some overheating issues and battery optimization problems that came with the new chipset. But I want to believe that with this newer chipset, Google has been able to fine-tune the performance even more. And with a year's worth of updates, the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro are even more stable than ever. Now, touching on the display a bit more, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 6 have pretty much the exact same display, except for the 0.1 inch difference I mentioned earlier. They both have a 90Hz refresh rate and they both have the same resolution. However, when it comes to the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 6 Pro, despite the fact that they are the same size and they both are curved, the Pixel 7 Pro has a 25% brighter display at 1500 nits. And touching on the cameras a bit, the hardware was pretty much just lifted from the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro and transplanted to the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. There is a new 5x telephoto lens on the Pixel 7 Pro. However, some people might find it to be worse than the 4x telephoto lens on the Pixel 6 Pro because it is a smaller sensor and it's going to let less light in, meaning slightly worse low light performance. And to be honest, 5x optical zoom is a bit too close for people to use in everyday life, especially when taking portraits and things like that. So a 2x or a 3x telephoto lens in addition to the 5x telephoto lens would have been appreciated. But we got what we got. A new camera feature we got is called cinematic blur, which is basically portrait mode videos, and we've seen this on iPhones and some other smartphones as well. So here's hoping that Google is able to implement this properly and it's actually a usable feature. However, seeing as it is a software feature, we could expect this to come to the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, maybe via some software updates later along the line. And as you can probably tell, I'm really comparing these devices to the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro because I don't necessarily see the need to upgrade if you already have these devices. I mean, you're not getting significantly better battery life. Yes, you do get face unlock, but it's just the 2D stuff, nothing really groundbreaking there. And charging speeds are the same, the build quality is the same, the prices are the same, but that is where things start to get a bit interesting. As if you want to purchase a new Pixel 7 or 7 Pro, you're going to pay $599 or $899, depending on the device you want to get. But if you're looking to upgrade your smartphone from maybe a Pixel 3 or a Pixel 4 or any other device, you can get a Pixel 6 for as low as $400 if it's on sale or if you check properly. And you could get a Pixel 6 Pro for as low as maybe $600. I mean, that is a significant difference in price for what is not a significant difference in hardware quality or even software features. What I'm saying is, if there is no feature that particularly stands out to you from the Pixel 7 or the Pixel 7 Pro, and you are using an older smartphone or an older Pixel, if you're looking to upgrade, you're going to save a lot of money by getting a Pixel 6 or a Pixel 6 Pro. They are more stable now than they were at launch. They have practically the same hardware as the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, and they will get most of the same software features via updates. Another great alternative you can take a look at is the Pixel 6a, as you can get this for about $400 or less, but I know some people are really looking for flagship devices, so reconsider and take a look at the Pixel 6, the Pixel 6 Pro, then take a look at the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. Analyze your needs, your day-to-day needs, analyze the differences between these devices, and I guess you should pick what's best for you. I know a lot of people who are currently using a Pixel 6 and 6 Pro want to upgrade to a 7 or a 7 Pro, but this year's upgrades seem pretty incremental and they might not necessarily be the best financial decision for you to make. But if you're more interested in an affordable or the budget Pixel like the Pixel 6a, then my review of this device will be coming very soon. So subscribe to the channel and you can check out any of my other videos in this playlist.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah. Said we drunk in the spirit, no, we don't stay sober. We don't stay sober. Hey, fly as a jet, but with no layovers. With no layovers. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.